This
Is a Swytch bike.
In fact, any bike can be a Swytch bike.
And we really mean any bike.
All you need is a Swytch Kit. It's lightweight,
Pocket size.
connects to your handlebars,
And boost your ride with electric power.
Swytch is your bike electric. For the acceleration, for the hills, and for the adventure.
Hi, I'm Oliver.
and I'm Dimitro.
We are the founders of Swytch.
And our mission is to revolutionise the way you travel.
So you don't have to sit in traffic or get squashed on public transport. Swytch gives you so much power,
It's like me pedalling for you.
so you can go further and faster without breaking a sweat. Over 50,000 people all over the planet have already turned their bikes electric with Swytch. We deliver worldwide directly to your door, and we custom build the wheel for you in the exact size to match your bike. So installation is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Then simply start pedaling and the power kicks in. We're leading the electric bike revolution.
And we want you to join us.
Swytch is affordable, powerful, lightweight, durable, and great fun. You can double your range with our larger battery, which is perfect for longer rides or extra peace of mind on the road. Take your Swytch bike on your next adventure. Pack a couple of extra batteries so you can keep on exploring. We invented the Swytch Kit
So that anyone, anywhere,
can turn any bike electric.
So yeah, if you have a bike and you want an electric bike, Swytch.